Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video, what we are going to do is analyze the past Nifty data so that we can predict the future Nifty movements by yourself. I'm just going to do the analysis and I'm not going to draw any patterns for the future trades or anything. This is just a analysis of Nifty from the last 4 5 years, so that because it's very important for you to back test all the data so that you can be prepared for the future movements in Nifty. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to analyze. Just a second. Let's go back to ever since the COVID crash. Okay. See guys, I want you to understand something. From 2020, if you are someone who has been trading from 2020, trust me, we never had a bear market crash. Okay, everything that we have had so far is only consolidation in Nifty indexes. Okay, when I say that, even this one is, it's not a bear market, this is not a bear market, this is not a bear market, this is not a bear market, and even this is not a bear market. Because look at this, for example, this is just 16%, the entire move from top to bottom. This is 8%, this is 13%, just top to bottom. Because the only crash I would say is, the COVID crash is the one real crash we had so far. Before that, even this is kind of a consolidation, but it took a very long time. I think this one is like 1 year. If you notice, from March 15 to, this consolidation is again 1 year consolidation. We never had a bear market ever since the COVID, and this you should understand. Okay, so we haven't, so if you did not make money in this market when the market was sideways, and if you think this is bad, trust me, we haven't seen the brutality of the market yet. And so coming back to the topic, let's just look at the 2020 crash, and then there were a lot of signs of reversal, right? If you look at the candlestick patterns, there were a lot of buying in these weekly candles, and then there is this bullish candle, and then there were like a lot of green candles, consolidation, and it just kept going up. Then a small consolidation kept going up. This is also a very small 6 to 7 months, I think probably 5 to 6 months of consolidation went up. So this is how the index works. But this is just Nifty 50, right? There are also stocks that are outside of this index. So this may not give you the entire picture, because there are few stocks in mid cap and small cap which did better than this. So the index of that is completely different. So although this Nifty index will affect the Nifty small cap or Nifty mid cap, however, there are always some outliers, right? So let's just stick to Nifty for now. What's the how does the Nifty move after extended period of consolidation? So in this one, okay, the only difference between the current consolidation that we have gone through and the previous one is that in this one we had a bounce, right? In this we had bounce. In when I say bounce, these green candles, right? These green candles in weekly, they are pure buying pressure. And then after the buying pressure, there were a lot of sell off, and then a huge buying pressure, a lot of sell off, and then it recovered, breaking this pattern, and then it went up. The only problem here we had was we did not see a huge buying in weekly. It's just a small bounce. If you compare it, do you see the difference? This is why I was very skeptical about if we will ever get something like this kind of a rebound. But you know what? There was a huge confirmation for us, which is nothing but this candle. This weekly candle is such a pure green signal for us to notify that the market is back. The reason is, whenever there is a gap up and the fill, look at this huge, like I don't know who, but either the fund house, DII or FII, they just kept buying until the end of the week, right? Because for them, this is a very good price, and we don't have to know the news or what they think of the future. We just know that okay, this week, particular week, after a gap down there, no one was interested to sell further. They just saw this as an opportunity. This is why you should think all the price action in terms of psychology. It's not just this candle, that candle, morning star pattern, this pattern. No, it's don't think of price action like a theoretical way. You have to think it in a practical way, like how how people think in this particular candle. That is very important. And the next week, these two candles, and the next week, what happened? There was a gap up, and even after a gap up, they did not even fill it. They were just straight on bullish, and it went up here. So this is just a pure confirmation, guys, that Nifty is gonna do the same. I don't know if I can tell this, but what I feel is that there is a small chance that Nifty may do the same like this here too, but I'm not sure. This is not a call, this is not an advice. There is a small chance, okay? And we should make use of this. You can use all the patterns you want. We have been learning about that. And what next? Maybe there is a small consolidation, or maybe I don't want to, because this is such a gray area, guys, because I still don't know if I can talk about anything after this. But in a nutshell, what I want to say is this pure green candle, these two candles, is a very good indication for us as a stock market investor or as a trader, because I feel that this is an indication of a bullishness. Like if you just look at the past, right? As at least as far as my price action knowledge is concerned, I have a feeling that okay, this is gonna do well. So just wait for corrections, and then you know the rule. If you just go through all my previous videos, like 2-3 years ago, just start watching it, how I've been trading it, and you'll get to know how I trade these Nifty stocks, indexes and everything. Wait for the correction and enter in a setup where the risk is lowest. It could be stocks, it could be, so again, coming back to Nifty and Nifty small cap and mid cap, if the Nifty index, Nifty 50 index shows a bullish signal, obviously this will have an effect on small cap and mid caps indexes. So obviously the stocks in those indexes will also look better, right? So yeah, this is how you should think, and this is how you should analyze stocks versus index, okay? And yeah, I just wanted to make a video because people have been asking me on Instagram, just upload a video. It's been a month, so because any video, I think it's always an analysis video, like for future potential breakouts or something, which I cannot upload now. So also the one trade that I took, I posted that, and I also haven't been taking a lot of option trades, but I've been taking some few trades now. Once I close that, I will upload those videos. And for swing trading, not a lot, but I'm quite active in options. So yeah, this is how it is. And yeah, if you want to learn about options or anything, feel free to check out my website. The community is active, and you would learn everything from these two courses, be it equity trading, swing trading, or option courses, okay? So that is for all. And I think I'll save Bank Nifty for another video, so probably next week. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with patience. Let me know in the comment section what you've been doing in the past 1 week or 2 weeks, or the last month. Did you make money in Nifty, Bank Nifty? How have you been finding the markets? And yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you soon.